Deal, we fix a tire. Hello everybody, my name is Patrick and this is Dad Life Projects with Kids. Today we're going to fix a tire on my son's bike. This is my son Mac. Say hi, Mac.
Hi.
Good job. So let's go ahead, let's get this job going. The first thing we got to do is we got to take off the tire. Mac, why don't you go over there and hand me that wrench over there. Perfect. Yes, this is a crescent wrench. It's a universal wrench. It fits all different types. All right. Now, what we gotta do is break the bolts. Not break them, but break them loose. Nope.
Can I get it off after you loosen them?
Of course, dude. But let me loosen it some so it's easier for you to do. No, you can use the wrench.
I can use the wrench?
Yeah.
But can I use that wrench? But can I use this wrench?
Yes. All right, here you go. Go ahead. Just twist it around it. Go this way. I got it. Can you do this? It's still too hard. Put your hand down here. Put it down farther down. There you go. Go ahead. It's loose. Let's take it off. There we go. All right, the next thing we gotta do is we gotta take out the old tube. Mac, why don't you get me the screwdriver?
Okay.
Off of the bench. Thank you. If you want to stand here or sit here, you can. But all right. But you just gotta peel up the one side of the tire.
What's that?
Well, you got to do that so you can get the tube out. The old tube. And there's the old tube coming out. Why don't you, hold on a second.
Do what?
Hold on.
What will I do?
Well, right now you can get me the new tube.
Where's the new tube?
It's on the bench right there.
Okay. Where on the bench?
That box, Mac. The one you had in your hand. Yes. Good job. All right.
I didn't know.
This is the Bell inner tube. It's 12.5. We got it from Walmart. If anybody needs the link to it, just ask me in the comments. All right. Now, next thing we got to do is what we're going to do now is we're going to take this under this. Actually, no, we're going to do this. That's right. We're going to put it up in here into the tire area.
Where is me going to put this?
Well, so why don't you just leave it there until we're done? We're going to put the tire. You're crazy. Alright, now the next thing we do, we're going to put the rim back on.
What's the rim?
Or the tire back onto the rim. That's what I meant.
What's the rim?
This is, the red is the rim. That's your rim. It's the wheel. We'll do this. We'll go like this around as far as we can. Alright, now that that's done, we can go ahead and put the tire back on the bike. Alright, Mac, why don't you bring me that tire back over here? Thank you. Let's go ahead. We'll put this back on. Alright, the last thing we gotta do is get my air compressor and air up the tire. Alright, the last thing we gotta do is just air up the tire. Let's go ahead and do that. It's to be aired up to 35 pounds. There we go. Oh, and there you go. That one's done. Let's go ahead and see what we're at on your back tire for air.
What number is it at? Is it right at 35?
There you go.
Now it's fixed?
It is fixed.
Yay, I can ride it now.
Yes, you can. Hold on, let me put this cap on there. Then I put the other.
Hooray! Hooray! Oh, I can see a
All right.
flag.
All right.
Daddy, that's 50 stars. Is there 50?
Yes. This is all right, buddy. Here you go.
I remember why there's 50 stars. Because there are 50 states.
All right. That's it today for Dad Life Project with Kids. Please comment if you like any links to any products used today or any day, or just talk about the video that we just did. If you like this video or any other videos, please subscribe, like, and share. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook at Dad Life Projects, or email me at dadlifeprojects@gmail.com. And remember, any projects you do around the house or with your kids, you are the project manager. See you next time.